Life wouldn't be the same without our Techni icebox. You don't go anywhere without our awesome blue box. Solid, tough construction. Can withstand anything the family can dish out. Go anywhere, anytime fun box.
Watch out for your Techni icebox and keep it safe because everyone will want one of those cute boxes.
Handy padlock security. Great for sharing and storing those summer treats or just keeping things chilled. Excellent for cricket drink breaks. Fully water and weatherproof. It's great for storage. Tough full-length white skids. Family fun blue box. The box even comes with these Butte dry ice packs, which means no more bags of ice.
Simply add water by soaking them in water for a while, and in no time at all, you have these robust, long-lasting dry ice packs. We love our Techni icebox.
Hey, thank you guys for letting me out of that box. It's colder than a polar bear's butt in there.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Techni Ice Genie, how about a cool drink from the Techni icebox?
Oh, that sounds like a great idea. I'd love to have a cold one. I'll get you one while I'm at it. Hey, let me out of here, you guys. What are you doing to me here? Familia. Some mozzarella. The provolone. Come on, Paisan. What do you want from me? I'm a freaking genie. It's so cold in there. I pee ice cubes. You can take the genie out of the bottle.